Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of famous Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani. Without further ado, let's get started. For that, take 1 kilogram of big pieces of chicken. I have taken thigh pieces. I'm going to prepare fried onion. For that, we need 3 thinly sliced onion. I have used a slicer to cut the onions very thinly. Well, fried onions gives unique taste to this biryani. Heat enough oil in a kadai to deep fry the onion. I have fried these onions into 2 batches. Fry the onions in medium flame and give it a stir in the middle so that it cooks evenly. This should be the color of the fried onion. We need 3/4 quantity of the fried onions to marinate the chicken. I have reserved this onion to marinate the chicken. The fried onions will be crispy once it cools down. Mash the onions slightly with the hand like this. To the onion fried oil, add in 10 to 15 cashew nuts. Remove the cashew nuts from oil once it turns golden brown color. Add in 1 tablespoon of raisin. Once the raisin puffs up, remove it from the oil. Here I have reserved quarter portions of the fried onions, cashew nuts and raisins to garnish the biryani. Let's marinate the chicken pieces. Take 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. To make this paste, I have taken 3 green chilli, 1 big piece of ginger and 10 garlic cloves. Add in 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. If you are using regular chilli powder means you can reduce the quantity. Add in 1 teaspoon of chicken masala powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. In goes 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Add in salt as needed. In goes 1 cup of thick curd. Add in 1 cup of chopped coriander leaf and mint leaf. Add in 1 tablespoon of ghee. Mix everything nicely with the hand. The chicken marinade is almost ready. Now add in the chicken pieces. In goes 3/4 portion of the crushed fried onions. Mix all the masalas nicely with the chicken so that it combines well. Marinate the chicken for 2 hours in refrigerator. Take 2 cups of long grain basmati rice in a bowl. The flavor of the biryani depends on the quality of the basmati rice. So use good quality long grain basmati rice. Clean the rice in water and soak it for half an hour. Now I am going to cook the basmati rice. Heat enough quantity of water in a large pot. Well, this is 5-liter pot. I have taken 2 bay leaves, cinnamon, half a teaspoon of pepper, 4 cardamom, few cloves and a piece of mace. Add in salt as needed. Let the whole spices boil in the water. In goes 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Cover it and boil the water. Add in the soaked basmati rice. Well, there's no specific measurement for the whole spice and the water. So take enough quantity of water and cook the rice. I'm going to dum the chicken biryani. So cook the basmati rice to 90%. For me, it took 10 minutes to cook the rice. The rice has cooked to 90% and I'll drain the water. I have drained the water through this strainer. Keep the cooked rice aside. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the chicken masala. I have taken the marinated chicken out of the refrigerator. These are the fried onions, cashew nuts, raisins and chopped mint leaf and coriander leaf to garnish the biryani. I'm using the same pot to cook the chicken. Transfer the marinated chicken pieces into this pot. Add in 3 tablespoons of onion fried oil. Cook the chicken pieces in medium flame. Cover the pot with the lid and cook the chicken to 90%. Open the lid and salt the chicken pieces occasionally so that it cooks evenly. So the rice and the chicken pieces has to be cooked to 90%. I have taken chicken thigh pieces, so it wouldn't take much time to cook the chicken. If you find the chicken masala is too dry means you can add quarter cup of hot water. I just love the aroma of this chicken masala. Actually, you can have this chicken masala for chapati, roti or parota. Once the chicken is cooked to 90%, switch off the flame. Add in half a quantity of the basmati rice. We are going to layer the rice in order to dum the chicken biryani. Well, I would say this as one pot biryani. Add in few cashew nuts, raisins, coriander leaf and the fried onion. I have mixed in yellow food color in quarter cup of hot water. Drizzle it slightly so that we'll get that yellow color to the biryani. You can add soaked saffron as well. Add in 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now add the remaining basmati rice. Level the rice evenly with the spoon. Add in the yellow food color. In goes the remaining coriander leaf, mint leaf, cashew nuts, raisins and fried onion. Drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. Cover the pot with the aluminium foil. Cover it with the lid and cook it in dum for 20 minutes. I have placed this pot in a tawa and cooking it in very low flame. This biryani is easy to make and tastes delicious. Once the chicken is cooked in dum for 20 minutes, switch off the flame. Leave it as such for 10 minutes before opening the aluminium foil. After 10 minutes of resting, remove the aluminium foil and you could feel the aroma of Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani. Gently mix the rice and the chicken masala. We should mix it gently without breaking the rice. Look at it friends, aromatic authentic Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani is ready to be served now. I have made this almond pudding as dessert to accompany this biryani. I'll share this recipe soon in our channel. Do try this biryani at least once and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.